Alright, we are going to do the PacMan rules challenge for Exercism in C++. This relies on the Boolean data types, true or false, and it focuses heavily on the logical operators, logical not, logical and, logical or. Alright, so for the first one, we have the first of 4 tasks, and each task correlates to 4 functions. So the first function is can eat ghost, and this function has 2 parameters. So, can PacMan eat the ghost? Return true only if PacMan has a power pellet active and is touching a ghost. So we're going to use an if statement. So if the power pellet active argument is true, and if we are touching a ghost, which means if touching ghost argument is true, we are returning true. Else, return false. Let's test it. Passed. Second function, scored. The function should return true if PacMan is touching a power pellet or a dot, which requires 2 arguments, power pellets and touching dot. Again, if touching a power pellet is true, or the logical or is denoted by the vertical bars, or if we are touching the dot, if that is true, then we are returning true. Otherwise, else, return false. Let's test it for task 2. Complete. Alright, now we are defining if we have lost the game. So, returning true means we lost. So we lost the game if PacMan touches a ghost while not having a power pellet active. So if this is not active, which means is false, and logical and, if he touches a ghost, then we lost, which is true. Otherwise, else, return false. Let's test it for task 3. Successful. Alrighty. Now we are checking if we won. Now we have 3 parameters for this function. Now, returning true means we won. So we won if PacMan has eaten all of the ghost and has not lost. Well, we already defined a lost function, so let's use it. So if, and we'll take this function, and notice it has power pellet, and touching ghost. It has the same parameters, so we're going to use them. So if power pellet and then the second is touching ghost, if that is false, because false lost means we haven't lost. So if we have not lost, and if we've eaten all the ghosts, eaten all the dots, then we have won the game. Otherwise, we have not won the game, aka false. Let's test it. And all tests completed.